Alright, so as you can see, the project table is cleared off. I put the sewing machine on the floor and I moved everything else out of the way because the mail arrived today. And in the mail was a box. And it occurs to me that my camera is not quite far enough away and I don't know how to get it further away. Because I've got it tippy top on my... Yep, that's... I didn't accidentally leave it zoomed in, so... But I have my thread trimmer here, and I'm going to open this box. Looks like it's got a dent there and a couple big dent on the side here from shipping, but otherwise nothing serious. Well taped up and should have now, I did order this, so I know what it is, but it is the model that they started making, and when I saw it at first, after I had started my channel, I thought, gee, 10-year-old me is like the happiest I have ever been, because one of the things I always liked and wanted was toys that move, and I grew up in a rural area, so having a toy tractor that moved under its own power would have been the coolest thing ever for 10-year-old me. So this is T26. I don't know if that's what it was called on the website I got it from. It is the original version of these tractors that was first sold out, like the first style motor, I think. But we'll see. There's the instruction sheet and the foam block, and it is a well-fitted custom foam block. And there it is, seated very well, with the little metal seat packed separately, which not surprising in the least. So, lifting, yep, I'll lift that out, set it to the side. Underneath it's got starter, a bunch of spare O-rings for piston rings, the hex key that I assume fits to put the seat on, and a spare bit of fuel line. So pulled that last bit of foam out to double check, but there's nothing left in the box. So, there it is from the current camera view, and that is really neat. Wow. Alright, I am going to stop the camera and set up a different shot to look at this more closely.